today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, this is an emergency. You remember how I was yesterday talking about this specific Bitcoin breakdown here, and also how I was in the last live stream telling you that this level here is not coming by any coincidence. And look at this, we bounced here. What is this level about? Can we expect more downwards momentum for Bitcoin? Or is this the sign here that from here we are going to see more upwards momentum and also higher price targets for Bitcoin? I will be talking about that. And this is a special one because I will recap this Wyckoff accumulation pattern, the proof as to what is going to happen in the immediate future. We are in phase C right now, and what happened yesterday is actually a perfect mirror of this pattern. So I want to talk about what we can expect for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Sometimes maybe a car is passing through. I'm here in a random street in Spain walking bare feet. So I'm definitely like a legal alien, you know this song, Legal Alien, an Englishman in New York. I feel like this sometimes, walking around with this and like bare feet. But anyways, let's focus on the Bitcoin price. I want to talk about that. Make sure you smash up the like button if you want more of these videos on the sidelines, even when I'm on the street. Whenever I'm finding something in the charts, you need to smash up the like button, make noise for the algorithm, share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you share this video, this is truly appreciated the most, because it helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is relevant. And now let's go straight into the content, guys, straight into it. And as you remember yesterday, sorry when you sometimes hear some cars passing by, yesterday we were breaking down here, right? And I was in the last live stream actually talking about this specific level. I will come to that. Now the question is Bitcoin bouncing here, going to confirm the breakdown and then eventually going to go down to the price level of 24,000? Or are we going to bounce and then fake out towards the upside? A scenario I was actually talking about, I was actually giving you some words of caution to, just to be a little bit careful with breakouts here, because I'm smelling fake outs left and right. And first of all, let me go to the daily candles and show you that this level from yesterday, it did not come with any surprise actually. I covered it live and I told you, hey guys, there might be a bounce coming from here. And if you are pulling this from the bottom to the top, then you can see, let me make it perfectly clear here, that the Fibonacci golden pocket, the most important retracement level here, between the 61.8 and the 65, was hit not only right here. You remember, I told you that my worst case scenario is 30,000 US dollars. It was hit number one right here. And yesterday we dipped slightly inside and bounced from there. And I was always talking about, especially in this video here, and Bitcoin was at 55 to 58,000 when I talked about that in phase C on the upside. I was talking about 30,000 being my worst case scenario. And well, so far this held truth. This pattern is perfectly fulfilled right now, this bearish pattern, and a new pattern is looming on the horizon, which is this one here. I already talked about that in this video a few days ago. And if we were to go over here, and this is very, very interesting now, guys, this is getting extremely interesting. If I'm going over to the 4-hourly candles, you can see that Bitcoin is essentially, oops, sorry guys, that Bitcoin is essentially also having phase A, B, C, D, and E. And let me show you this again, guys. Phase A, B, C. And right now we are going into phase C with this breakdown here, and we actually knocked out the previous low from phase B. So far, actually, this held truth. I am not saying that we are not going to go lower. I'm not saying that we are not maybe going lower than the 28,800 I mentioned as my worst case scenario, guys. But there is a possibility, there is some hope on the horizon. I wouldn't bank on it until we are getting the confirmation signs. But as you can see, this is the first one here. Then we need some kind of zigzag here before we are eventually consolidating towards the upside for good. So some upwards, downwards momentum in the next few days. This is to be expected according to this specific pattern here, which you can also see here. The good news about that is this would mean towards June, towards the end of June, somewhere right here in phase E, we would go back to the price levels of 50, 60,000. Well, usually it's not likely in a summer where we have usually some weakness coming into the markets, but this is usually what we should expect here from this specific pattern. And you can let me know what you think about that. Of course, guys, I wanted to tell you how you can spot actually. And by the way, you probably also remember how we perfectly fulfilled this pattern here already. For everyone who is new to the channel, you maybe missed out on that. I didn't say that this is 100% happening, but I said this is a possible scenario here, and unfortunately, well, we perfectly followed this trajectory. I didn't redraw these lines, guys. Everyone who is subscribed for like 5-6 weeks already knows that. But I wanted to talk about how can we spot that, hey, maybe this bullish scenario is not going to happen. Maybe we are going to reach the price level here of 24,000. Well, this is actually very, very easy, because in the moment we are closing a daily candle, let me quickly go back. In the moment we are closing a daily candle below this specific level, this is the moment where I'm saying, hey guys, I'm stepping back. I was probably wrong here. We are going to go to 24,000. As long as Bitcoin is not closing below this level, I am not ringing these alarm bells. I was ringing the 30,000 alarm bells, yes, but now I'm not ringing the 24,000 alarm bells unless we are not breaking below this one here. Let me know what you think about that. And I'm quickly going back here. I'm still here in this really random street here, but my food is coming very soon. Let me know what you think about that, guys. Of course, smash up the like button and leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. I will be going down in the comment section and answer at least 10 to 20 comments of yours. I'm really interested what you think right now. Do you think we are going to go to 24,000, or do you think we have already bottomed out? That would be interesting to know. Thank you so much for watching. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.